Ready to turn that brilliant business idea into a real online store without spending a dime upfront? Let's dive into how you can snag a Shopify free trial and begin building your e-commerce empire completely risk-free. First, head over to the Shopify website. You can find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once you're there, look for the prominent Start Free Trial button, typically located in the center or top right corner of the page. Clicking that button will whisk you away to the Signup form. Here, you'll need to provide a valid email address, create a secure password, and choose a name for your online store. Don't worry, you can change the store name later if inspiration strikes. Next, Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business. These help them personalize your experience, but you can skip them if you're eager to jump right in. They might ask about your selling experience and what you plan to sell. And just like that, you're inside your Shopify store. This is your central hub. Take some time to explore the dashboard. You'll see options to add your first product, customize your store's appearance with a theme, and even connect a custom domain. Shopify's free trial gives you full access to most of their features. This means you can experiment with different themes, add products, set up payment gateways, and even start marketing your store. Remember, this is your chance to test your business idea, get familiar with the Shopify platform, and see if it's the right fit for you before committing to a paid plan. And that's it. You are now ready to start your entrepreneurial journey. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and start building your dream online store with Shopify's free trial. Good luck.